Hey everybody, this is Snook, and today I have an Ipsy bag. Now it's not the same monthly Ipsy bag. This is the limited edition Staycation mystery bag. So I ordered it because I wanted to see what's in it. Okay, so the first thing I got is this really nice brush. And it is from we'll have to test it out and see how it goes. So that wasn't even in the bag. That was on the outside. So here is the bag. And it is one of those rubbery ones like it was last month. So, and it just has a plain round Ipsy metal circle on it, and it's yellow and pink. So when we go in here, first thing I'm pulling out, Bella Pierre Cosmetics Matte Lipstick Incognito. So this is the way it looks in the packaging, and then open it up. Ooh, I really like this color. And let's do ooh, it feels really creamy too. And this is the swatch. But it is really creamy. I like that. And I like that color. We got a brush and a full-size lipstick. I'm happy. Then next, from Fluid, is a liquid lipstick, kind of in the same color. Okay. And I'll just swatch that. Oh, that's a lot darker. So this is the Fluid one. And then this one is the Bella Pierre Cosmetics. Two really pretty colors, and they're really pretty for summer. I like them. So I can't be mad at that. I just wasn't expecting two lip products in one bag. Betty Boop Ipsy Drama to You eyeliner. So this is what that looks like, the tip. And then let's, ooh, that's really a fine line. I'm really excited about that. Okay. Then we have a squeezy tube. it's Unicorn Glow primer. Oops. Unicorn Glow primer. Okay. Let me get this stuff off my hand. And we're going to have to try what Unicorn Glow primer looks like on my hand, because I have to see. I just have to. Oh, it does have a safety seal on it. Now it comes out in a light consistency. It blends into my skin, but that doesn't mean that it's going to blend into everybody's skin, so I'm not real sure. But it does have kind of a glow to it compared to my other hand. It's very moisturizing. Feels very moisturizing. Okay, so far we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. And 4 of them, the eyeliner looks to be full size. The lipstick looks to be full size. The Fluid liquid lip is full size. The brush would be considered full size. So this is the first trial size that we've gotten. So I'm really excited about that. And this was on sale for $14. But then I used a discount code I found somewhere, and so I actually paid less than $14 for it. So really cannot complain. And then last we have from Tarte an Amazonian Clay 12-hour blush. So what color did we get? I can't figure out how to open it. Oh, I like this packaging. It's very simple. Oh. Oh, this is a really pretty color. And it's got a really neat design on it. And it's not gonna, it's really soft and buttery. And you can kind of see it on the back of my hand. So let's do this. Take our new brush, swirl it in the pan. And I like my blush to be up higher. There, we can put a little bit on my nose. There, do I look like I've been out in the sun now? This is a really pretty color. I really like that. It just gives you a nice sun-kissed. And this is plastic, so you could take this anywhere and not have to worry about it breaking. I really like that. And of course this would be, I would assume, a travel size. I wouldn't think this is a full size blush, but I could be wrong. But it's also from Tarte. So I really drawing things everywhere. So I really like this bag. You could buy up to 3, and I don't know if they're all the same, but or not. I just bought one. I figured one was more than enough, but now I'm wondering if there was variations to each bag and just what you got was what you got. I'm not really sure, but now I'll go out and look. But we got the really pretty blush, which I can see this is going to be my new favorite. The Unicorn Glow Primer, which I'm going to have to try. Really cool black liner, and it's very black, and it doesn't look like it bleeds. So I'm really excited about that. We got the brush, which works really great. It's very soft. Very soft. It's not real dense at the bottom, so it's gonna give you very light coverage. So if you have a product, say like a bronzer or a contour that you usually use too much of, you could use this brush, and there's, unless you would dip it in a million times, you're gonna get a real light application with this. So, and then this liquid lip I really like. It's the darker one. And then the bullet lipstick, which is the lighter color. And both of these colors are definitely in my what I like when it comes to a lipstick, as you can see. So I am really impressed with this bag and really happy that I went out on a limb and got it. Have a really wonderful day, night, evening, wherever you are. Bye.